Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be providing a market analysis update on Apecoin and going over some very key levels of support and resistance, as well as a potential catalyst and exciting events coming up for Apecoin in the next few weeks. So if you're new to the channel and you want to show some support, please leave a like and subscribe. So in my last Apecoin video a few weeks ago, I really discussed and harped on this level here at around $5.17. I will leave a link to that in the description below if you want to check that out. But basically my thesis was that this was the low here on this May 11th capitulation. And this candle took us down around 37% from open to close. So this was obviously a historic, extremely important candle, definitely covering a pretty diverse range of prices. And the next candle, we had a pretty strong bounce off this, right? And then we had, basically consolidation at this level. And ultimately, we didn't really retest it for another month here. But when we did and we lost it, just the following 4 days or so, we dropped around 38%. So the fact that we lost this immediately resulted in a 38% drop kind of led me to believe that this would be an important level later on if we are starting to retest it. And that we did. We have a pretty significant rejection off of this in the short term. We are coming back down off this level. Currently from this high set in place, we're down about 18.5%. So ideally for Apecoin to become bullish, we do want to see a reclaim of this level at $5.17. And in my last video, I discussed if we're unable to do that, we reject and we start coming back down to this range. Most likely we would probably consolidate. We would probably see some sideways action, building some sort of base. And the reason I think that is because upcoming here on July 16th, the overall company Yuga Labs, which has created Apecoin, is going to be launching the Other Side Metaverse. So this is all under the same brand, the same company. And what's going to happen is they're going to launch this metaverse on July 16th. And my speculation, again, this is speculation, it's not confirmed and it's not financial advice, but my speculation is that most likely they're going to be bringing back some utility to Apecoin. So the first sign of utility was around this time frame when they said that Apecoin would be used to mint the Other Side NFTs for their big NFT land sale. So that's kind of the initial phase of when I started talking about Apecoin, and why I was excited was because a lot of buying pressure would be introduced because a lot of people wanted to mint these NFTs, so they would need to buy Apecoin in order to do that. So we saw that massive blow off top phase into this land sale, and since then we lost its support, came down, and they've been in a downtrend. But if they bring back some utility, some actual demand for why you want to hold Apecoin, that could be a potential catalyst for maybe why we might start trending back up, reclaiming this level, and ultimately maybe targeting some of these lower highs. So we did have this pretty significant downtrend with a lot of lower highs formed along this, most significantly this lower high on June 6th at around $6.40. And then if we can claim that, heading back up to this May 30th high at around $7.40. So there's a lot of targets I have in the short term if we're able to reclaim the support level at around $5.17. If not, my expectation is a continuation of the sideways range. And I do think that leading up into this massive metaverse launch, we will see some hype and excitement towards the overall Yuga Labs ecosystem, which again encompasses Apecoin, and it will be interesting to see how this plays out as more excitement and attention is drawn back into this ecosystem. So that's the end of my Apecoin analysis. Please do leave your comments, suggestions, or feedback below. I really do appreciate those, and as always, I will see you in the next one.